Hi, welcome to week 2. So this is your coming attractions, and basically what it does is give you an idea what to expect in reading and topics, but also what your assignments will be. So this week we are looking at leadership again. This is the second week we're really introducing it. And so we're going to focus a little bit more on it, but we do talk also about management versus leadership, a critical explanation for any of us who are focused in leadership. You have 3 short readings to do. They're very short. Two of them are actually from Malcolm Gladwell. And Malcolm Gladwell is one of my favorite authors. He's written a host of amazing books. One of my favorites of his, and something that I believe every leader should read, is a book called Blink, The Power of Thinking Without Thinking. And it is your gut thinking. And you know things in your gut, and there's no real reason to explain it. But Malcolm Gladwell tends not to look at things in a very traditionalist sense. So I hope you'll enjoy those readings. There are 3 videos, and 2 of the 3 videos focus specifically on management versus leadership. That's the Godin video and the Kotter video. You've got a guy, Kawasaki, talking about Steve Jobs and lessons from him. And then you have a discussion board. Your discussion board is about how big leadership could be. I would remind you to perhaps go back to week 1 and re-watch Drew Dudley and the lollipop moments. It's well worth another look. And finally, you're going to resubmit your paper this week. I'll be giving you feedback by Saturday, probably before that if possible. And then you will resubmit. Gives you a chance to see what kind of improvements and to give you another look at your paper. This is the beginning of a process and a journey, so please don't expect that it's got to be perfect. We don't. It's just where we begin. Thank you so much. Have a great week.